All right, if you have a Ford key fob that is like mine, it's broken at the top, this little clip, it's falling apart. It still works, but just this is all coming apart. If you slightly drop it or mishandle it, it'll start falling all apart. You don't want that. So I didn't want to buy a new key fob because I'm cheap and they're slightly expensive. So since it still works, nothing's wrong with it, operates the way I need it to, it just keeps falling apart. I want to tape it. So I found this one on Amazon. Got it because it was a good match for my King Ranch, but it still looks good no matter what trim level you have. The important thing is to make sure that you match it up with the correct layout on the buttons, and it just slides right in like so. Keeps it all together, still functions just the same, and I just added a little key ring at the end just so I can hang them up when I needed it. So I'll leave a link in the description where I got mine, and I think it was like 10 bucks, so pretty cheap solution.